Okay, welcome guys to my cabin tour. My name is Cassandra and this is my cabin number 3072. That means that I am on deck 3. Cabin number 3072. Okay, fabulous. This is my room key card. It's got like a little photo of me that's very ugly. And basically how you get in is you just scan it like a hotel room. Okay, now we're gonna go into my tiny room. So be prepared to be surprised. Welcome. Okay, we're gonna start over here in this corner. Basically, you've got 2 hooks where you can store all of your handbags or your costumes. Because I'm in entertainment, I've got a lot of costumes, so I'll hang them here because there's not enough space to store all of your clothes and that kind of thing. Over here, I'll put like my laundry and any snacks or stuff like that. Okay, my roommate was very nice. She had hardly any stuff, so I could take up pretty much all the space was mine, which was amazing. Pray that you get a nice roommate, I promise you. I've had 3 roommates since being on board, and my 3rd one was the nicest. The first 2, yeah, it was interesting, let's just say that. Okay, but, oh yeah, and by the way, I only had my last roommate for 5 days. It was my best 5 days on board. I love you, Trey, if you ever see this. Okay, over here we've got drawers. Bottom drawer I'd always store like my underwear, the middle drawer was always my electronics, and the top drawer was pretty much everything that I needed like on a daily basis. So maybe like makeup and pens and money and that kind of thing. Okay, so how it works, because you're sharing a room, there's 2 people per cabin. This is not in every single cabin, this is just in my department, this is how it works. And we would divide it like in half, so for instance my stuff would be like all on one side and all of her stuff would be on that side. Also cabins are always like one gender, so female, female, or male and male. You never really share cabins unless you are dating someone or married. Thank you, you have to be married. Yeah, so that's pretty much the desk situation. Yeah, and we've got these plugs here, fabulous. Moving on. We've got this kind of, I don't know if you can really see it, but there's like a little space over here, and we would store like our luggage and suitcases and things like that. So if you're worried about bringing like hard shell suitcases, it's not a problem, it'll fit easily. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Otherwise you can also store a suitcase like underneath here. Then over here we've got these drawers for more storage space, so a lot of people like to keep their shoes and things here. I kept like all my t-shirts and casual clothes and shorts and things like that. And then there's another one over here. But these things always fall off, so I prefer it if it's just on the bottom, because otherwise, I mean, half the time you're dealing with this thing making a mess, and also it wakes up your roommate a lot. Okay, so you've got top bunk and bottom bunk. In the 4 months that I have been on board, I have been top bunk the whole time, and can I tell you, if you are going to embark on a ship, get the bottom bunk as fast as possible, because I promise you it is life-changing. It is amazing to be on the bottom bunk. Yeah, I've had 5 days on the bottom bunk, and 4 out of those 5 days I've slept at my friend's cabin on the top bunk. So I've only had one night in 4 months on the bottom bunk. But it's okay, I'm not bitching about this. I still, I love my roommate the last 5 days. The rest of the roommates. Okay, wait, someone's knocking the door. It's probably Nicole, just keep going.
It's probably me.
Hello! Enjoying my movie.
Amazing.
This is my amazing Nicole.
Amazing best friend.
My sister on board the ship.
Yes.
Okay, we'll continue because it's all just one take. Okay, so over here we've got the cupboards where you store your clothes and things, obviously. Like this. Oh, one cupboard for her, one cupboard for me. And basically these things all lock, you know, so that when the ship moves, you don't have the cupboards opening. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then over here we've got a big storage supply of toilet paper, because you always have to go ask for toilet paper. And my roommate was amazing. I don't know how she managed to get so much toilet paper. But you know, it's the small things on the ship that make you really, really happy. Nicole, please. Okay, now we're getting to the bathroom. Welcome. Basically, same thing. You know, one side for her, one side for me in this cabinet. Oh my god, it's falling apart. Oh god. Oh my god. What the hell just
Oh my god.
Wow. That's hot, guys.
Put it off first.
Okay.
Okay, before you go on, I need to go work.
We're just gonna add casual. This is a one-take video. Shh. Okay.
Go work.
So I'm coming. I'll see you up there.
Okay.
So
Video door
I would store my
open for this.
Yes, I will. This is where I would store my stuff. You know, people people disembark, they always want to get your stuff. So she wants all of my toiletries, so I'm leaving that all for her. Oh my god. So, this is my side, this is her side. And then we can come into the shower. This is the shower, we've got like a little shower curtain. And this thing is detachable. And then of course you have the toilet. And yeah, you can like hang your towel and thing over here. Our door's broken as well, everything's falling apart. But yeah, and then last but not least, you've got this amazing aircon that my roommate loved to keep on 24/7. My ex-roommate, that's why we're ex-roommates. Because it was so cold, it was like the North Pole. Anyway, so that's pretty much my room tour. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Oh my gosh, everyone's like, please, I never want to be her roommate. But anyway, my name is Cassandra and subscribe to my channel. See you all next time. Bye.
I don't know.
Wait,